Jay.
And then an hour later when I went to get some fresh air, I saw an eagle.
An eagle?
An eagle right on my porch. And that's
On your porch? Oh my
goodness. Guess what? And it was eating something.
Guess what? One time me and my daddy saw this
You should be in front of the phone.
saw this huge eagle
All right.
chasing a bird.
Hi, welcome to week 3 of StarQuest. Bug Quest or Bird Quest? Andrew and Ruthie are here to look for bugs and birds today. What do you want to look for, Andrew?
An eagle.
An eagle? Oh, I think we're going to have to do a lot of looking for that. How about you, Ruthie? What do you want to look for? A blue jay. Ooh, does anybody want to look for bugs? What should we do first? Let's look around and see if we can see any bugs. And then you know what we can do? We can make a journal, or we can jot down some of our ideas and send it into WLA StarQuest. You can see how many legs a bug has, or what colors the birds are, and make a whole list for us, or draw a picture of a bug or a bird and send it into the library. Let's see what we can find. I hear some birds. Let's see what we can find. What do you see?
I see trees.
You see some trees? Do you think there's any birds in the trees? I heard some before. We're going to have to look.
I see some nests.
You see a nest?
I see
All right.
nests too.
You do? How about any bugs? Are there any bugs out?
I didn't see any bugs.
No bugs? Well, what you can do is look for bugs and birds in your yard or on a trip, and then draw a picture of a bug or a bird, write down how many legs they have, and then you can, or draw a picture, and then you can send it to us at WLA StarQuest at the libraries, Facebook, our blog. We'll drop it off at a library, and then we'll post them on the bulletin board. Thanks. Have a great week looking for bugs and birds. Ooh.
Found an ant.
Ooh, look, Katie. There's an ant. Oh, you did. We found an ant. Oh, look. There it is. All right. How many legs does it have?
8.
Oh.
Wait, 6.
Do you see our ant? Look at him crawl.
I can get him on my finger.
You can. Did you get it?
Not yet.
He is. He's crawling right through there, isn't he?
Right through where?
I don't know. Oh, where'd he go?
There
There he is. Oh, no, here he is.
Boy ants
Oh,
go fast.
he's tricky, isn't he?
Boy ants go fast.
They do. He's coming right at us. Right there. Woo. You had him on once. Here he is. There he is.
I got him.
Oh, look. And there's a bug for our bug quest. Good job. All right. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Okay, we can go back in.
We need to go show this to my mom.
You're right. We do.
Let's go